Hey, what's up guys, MKB Captain is here and today we're talking about the Microsoft Surface Duo. Microsoft surprised us all with the Surface Duo this week. It has a long awaited Surface phone that has been rumored for years. And in further surprise, it's running Google Android operating system. It's designing to be the similar sibling to the Surface new dual screen device that was also unveiled running Windows 10X. The Surface Duo has two 5.6-inch display that fold out into 8.3-inch overall screen, and it's just 4.88mm thin. You can fold it fully or like many 2.1 laptop thanks to 360-degree. Microsoft says it's committed to a dual screen device because they allow people to get more done on the go. Having the device fold and also gives increasing level of protection. The outside design is very similar to the other Surface product with a silver look and large Microsoft logo. While the Surface New run Windows 10X, the Duo is a purely Android-based device. This is hardly surprising as it instantly gives Microsoft access to apps and developers without having to start from scratch. During the event, Microsoft said it has worked with Google on the product and is already working with developers to ensure apps worked can take advantage of unusual screen arrangement. While Microsoft did not give too much away about the device, we did get some nuggets of information. Those two 5.6-inch screen will rotate 360-degree, turning the phone into a passive tablet. You'll also be able to use two apps concurrently on each screen and turn the whole thing landscape. Microsoft has worked to make its launcher mimic that of Windows with a similar wallpaper and more squad of icons. Microsoft currently has a launcher available on the Google Play Store, so this will likely form the basis it look like if Microsoft will install its own apps and the Duo, including Edge browser and the Office suite. So according to the Varied report, the Duo will run a Snapdragon 855 chipset that Qualcomm's current silicon and power phone like the OnePlus 7 Pro and the Xiaomi Mi i9. This seems slightly odd as we expected the last one successor to this nearly 12-month-old chipset to be announced before the holiday 2020 season. Another interesting piece of information the above Varied report is the phone does not currently have a camera on the outside. You do have opened the Duo up to take the picture. We assume the might change as we get closer to release. There is no to worry on whatever this phone will support the 5G network, which should be much more widespread by the time this product come out. Microsoft Surface release date. Microsoft announced this device early, we assume in a bid to get devs on board and give them plenty of time to get their apps ready or build entirely new ones. The Surface Duo will ship in the holiday period of 2020, which means you will be waiting over a year to get one of these into your pocket. Considering this in earlier version of the device, we will not be surprised to see design and internally changes occur in the month leading up to release. In the last, we're talking about the Microsoft Surface Duo price. As the device is so far out, the Microsoft did not mention any price on the state. It will be interesting to see how much this phone come in it, and we do suspect it will be list on pair with the high-end €1,049 iPhone 11 Pro. Samsung currently sell the Galaxy Fold for €1,800, and Huawei Mate X, another more traditional foldable phone, looks set to break the €2,000 barrier whenever it comes out. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Get you guys. See you in the next video. Please subscribe for each video. Peace out.